This is going to be a quick video on how to make custom animated emotes for your Twitch channel for free without any additional software, of course including Photoshop. So everything you'll need is basically already on your computer right now if you're already on a PC. So you're going to need MS Paint or whatever you like drawing still images on. You'll need Photos, which is basically an app which is pretty much like Windows Movie Maker. So the most important step is right here, so just make sure that the canvas that you're starting on is a square, or else Twitch will just not let you use it. And make sure that it's something where also majority of the details is right dead center, because if you shrink it, it's going to be really hard for people to see, especially if they don't know what it is. And it's just something I had to kind of learn the hard way. Step 1, if you can call it that, is kind of a general idea of what you want to animate. And if you don't, honestly now is a pretty good time to just draw or doodle and just kind of let the idea come to you. This can usually happen when just drawing random things that you guys might actually enjoy. And the other way, of course, you can just browse the internet. But something that I personally might suggest is just to go live and kind of let your audience guide your emote. If you don't already have a solid idea in mind, for example here in the background, I actually did this live and I noticed that the background on the left was especially blank. There's a lot of white space there. So someone was actually able to give me ideas such as adding a cape. Someone else reminded me that it should have a tuxedo on, or they didn't like the way the bandana was. Kind of like making an emote with your viewers, which is actually also a good thing. Something that you might really like or enjoy might not be something that people would want to use. And if they took part in creating that emote, they're more likely to use it or to even spam. Once you get all the still images that you need, now all you need to do is to upload the images into Photos. So once you have your idea, in this case it's Kermit using a gun, you need to make your first frame. So basically it's a picture. In order for you to turn it into an animated emote, all you have to do is make a few frames. And how I did that was I slightly adjusted parts of the first image and I saved it as my second. Here I added a special effect at the end of the gun for the bullet leaving. I also added shells coming out of the gun, even though someone else pointed out that it kind of looked like the gun was sucking in new bullets from the sky, to which I said, that's fine, it just means I have unlimited bullets now. The bandana is moving. I added a small yellow outline to show the effect of the light going off in the shot. As you can see, depending on how detailed you want this to be or how smooth you want the animation to be, is completely up to you. Of course, if you want it to be more smooth, you would need to make sure that the changes are less dramatic from frame to frame. But from the clip that you saw earlier, this emote was completely done only using free frames, so it's completely up to you. So once you're kind of satisfied with the pictures that you've done, all you have to do is go, like you can see some of the images right here. All you need to do is go up here, press new video project. Go to where you saved your images, select them and drag them over. Just drag them all down here. Or you can just hold on to shift, click all of them like this, drag them down, or down here, Control A to select all of them, or just click all of them if you want. Restoration, change it to something like 0.1 or something low. Press enter, press play, and you can kind of see it happen here. It's okay if it looks a little buggy, because once you play it, like infinitely, it's going to be fine as a GIF. So this is kind of what it's going to look like. Alright, when you're done with this, press finish video, save up whatever you want, press finish. So once you're done with that and you have the video, all you need to do is go to ezgif.com. Just go to here, ezgif.com, go to video to GIF. So you're going to upload your video file and they're going to turn it into a GIF for you so that it infinitely loops it. Upload video. Press play to kind of see it. So if you're happy with this, all you need to do now is press convert to GIF. And you'll see it. This is what it's going to look like. Very important thing to know is that it has to be a square. In order for it to work in Twitch, it needs to be a square. So when you're doing this, press resize. Make sure that, like for me, it was perfectly square. Just press 58, because the height is all I need. So of course it's going to be exactly the same. Resize image. Go down here, and this is exactly what it's going to be. And then you press save, give it a name. It's going to go right here. And yeah, so pretty much everything else is pretty self-explanatory. So you go over to your Twitch page, you go to viewer rewards, then you go to emotes, and you can see right here under animated emotes, these are kind of the ones that you can put up. You just click it, you upload it, and there you go. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. If this video has helped you, please do consider subscribing for more low quality content, or pressing like to let me know if you liked it. If you didn't, I'm sorry about that. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions for future videos, please do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you around.